Well, you know me. If you're new to the channel, you don't know me yet. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know. This is my kitchen, and I'm a pretty average type of guy. I don't like super fancy stuff. So I picked me up a new wallet. For the last 12 to 10 years or so, I've been carrying a big bulky wallet. I'm going to try to get out of that. It's just not comfortable when you say it. And you watching this, you probably thinking the same thing. But I picked up this. This is a Ridge wallet. And it's in the titanium. So we're going to check it out. Get my first impressions from a guy who never has been around one of these wallets. If you can't tell my accent, I'm kind of country. So people don't pack this every day in my area. So I'm not accustomed to it. I ain't seen these in the wild, you know. So it's all a new experience, and I'm going to share it with you. My cat's trying to help. But this is the Ridge wallet. And you can see it comes very well packaged. Got a few little dings on it. Hey, kitty. Anyway, we got expands to hold 1 to 12 cards. That's RFID blocking. Modular design, which means, you know, you can change the faceplates and the straps and stuff. Backed by a lifetime warranty. Now, I don't know how good the warranty is, but that's super convenient if it's lifetime. These is kind of expensive, but if they got a good warranty service and it's a good quality wallet, then paying more sometimes it's the best thing to do, I personally think. But you can get cheaper ones on Amazon and eBay, knockoffs. I have seen them. So let's go ahead and open this up. As I said, the unboxing experience has been pretty good so far. Here we go. We got the Ridge Design for Life. That's a card. Inside we got Getting Started and Guaranteed for Life. Now this card feels premium. It's not cheap. It feels better than a postcard. It feels kind of like a business card, a very high quality business card. We get a sticker. Just says Ridge. They got a few different designs. This is the titanium. As I said in the beginning of the video, gunmetal. Make gunmetal titanium. Ain't no dents or nothing in it. Looks good. I already got it oily from my hands. It wipes right off though. That's the cash strap. And I'm telling you, just feeling this, it feels good. It's heavy. I say the carbon fiber ones they got probably ain't as heavy, but this has got some heft to it, even though it's titanium. I say the master steel ones might be a bit heavier. The edges, I can notice they beveled. I notice that. They ain't sharp when you run your fingers over them. That's good. The screws, got a very fine screw head and stuff. Speaking of that, we got a little screwdriver, or a Torx head. Told you I'm a very simple guy. If it unscrews something, it's a screwdriver. But no, technically, I think it's called a Torx head. And it fits the screws. Fits them good, too. Inside here, we got extra screws. It says assortment of T5 Torx screws. How y'all get in this? Oh. There they are. They even come with Loctite. You see that? A little Loctite on them. In case you didn't know, that's what that stuff is. I'm a mechanic. I work on a lot of cars. Okay. Now, how do we work this? I think it folds open. Ugh. Okay. I'm trying to fold it the wrong way. You know, a beginner to it. Okay, it's very stout, I can tell you that. Folding it is not going to happen with just one card, because that is super stout. Now, they make a catch, I guess, clip, but I always prefer straps. So, here's what it is. Now, how does this work? I think you push it out, okay. and I hit the band already. You can see up here. Hey, kitty. So we'll push it out. It gets a lot of fingerprints on it. And then we can get the card out, like so. Okay. Maybe more cards will stretch the band over time, because that is a stout band. You ain't gonna lose nothing with that band. This is stout. So, let's see. How's that work? I guess we would naturally, I'm right-handed. I would probably try it with the left hand. I would push it and then pull the card out. Okay. And then I would put it back in. I think there's a way you can fold these too. Fan them out. Let's see. Ain't gonna work with this card. Get them halfway and then you can fan it open. Nope. But I'm new to it, you know. I ain't a professional wedge wallet user. And see, it fits tight together. And then we got that on the inside. I mean, it feels good quality. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna... How do we load cards? Okay, that's the wrong way. Oh, well, that was simple to load. I wish it come out that simple. But I say okay, thank you. I say with some usage and me getting used, it's like anything new. You pick it up for the first time. A QR code on the back of that. Wedge.com. Inspiring the world. Scan to learn more about exclusive offers. But anyway, I say if I use it more, then I get used to it. It's like anything new. It takes time. That's steel too. I think they make this in leather too. So that's my initial reaction to the Wedge Wallet Titanium, or the Wedge Titanium. They got this in different designs on the website. You can get it. Pretty sure I seen one that said the Wedge with it going up like this, and titanium, or they got all, I mean, different. You just have to check the website out. The website's on this card here, I think. Yeah, I thought. And no, that's returns. But or it's the wedge.com. Or not the wedge. It's wedge.com. Yep. You just have to check out wedge.com and you can go through all these. They actually got some other, you know, accessories. They got a key thing that I'm going to pick up because my keys is a mess, and I didn't even know it existed till I was looking into these wallets. And I have an unboxing of that and a first impression. And I give you a review in a couple months of what I think about this wallet. I might pick another one up if I like it good. And that way, different events, I can just change them out or something. You know? You never know. One for business, one for pleasure. Well, I work on a lot of cars. That's one reason I went with the titanium. I wanted something easy to clean off because my hands do get oil on them. And, you know, you're going to smear a good wallet. You know, have you ever put, like, motor oil and grease and grime on a leather wallet? It gets into the fibers and it's usually just stains it. It never comes out, especially if it's a tan wallet. And if you get something like carbon fiber, sometimes, you know, hit the oil and stuff get on it and it's a pain to clean. You clean it so much, you put a spot on the carbon fiber. You know, that ain't my experience with the wallets, but that's my experience with like leather boots that you work in. You get oil, you know, carbon fiber car parts that you might get oil and smears on. Some of that stuff is a pain to clean. And the titanium was my best bet, and you can see the fingerprints just wipes right off of it to keep clean. That's what I was thinking. For a good everyday driver wallet, this should do me good. Hopefully I like it, because this wasn't cheap, you know, the price. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you call one of these. Get subscribed, and I appreciate it.